Popular Ocharious gas station operator killed in St. Mary. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Prominent businessman Samuel Frauty Dixon was gunned down Monday evening outside his home at Tower Heights in St. Mary. The incident reportedly took place shortly after 6:40 p.m. Police source said that Dixon's sport utility vehicle was shot up by unknown assailants as he drove into his residence. The businessman reportedly attempted to run, but he was shot multiple times by his attackers. Dixon, who in 2017 donated several surgical beds to the Port Antonio Hospital, operated several service stations located in Ocharious, St. Ann, and Buff Bay and Bryans Bay in Portland. Mr. Dixon is the second Portland-based businessman who has been killed since the start of March 2025 and follows on the heels of the shooting death of Albert Bugsy Lindsay. The police are currently on the scene of this shooting, and Links 007 TV will have a comprehensive report on this to come in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.